Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of my channel. So today's video is gonna be what do they call it in English? It's unboxing. I finally received my order from Takealot that I've been waiting for, I don't know, maybe a month. It's nothing much, so let's get straight into it. Okay, like I said, my first video, oh, well, not really my first video, but the other video that I made. We'll go to 2018. I am trying to eat healthy, honey. I am trying to exercise, you know. So I bought this smoothie maker. Is it like a blender? That's what they call it. Let's see if we can open it. Well, I can't. I'm not gonna break it. Ooh. I guess ibukeka inkulu. Hayibo, inkulu. What is this? Angazi ngayisebenzisa le. Emergency. Okay, it comes with this thing that I don't even know which yini. And then I have to try to get it. And this thing here. Okay, I'm gonna try and put it together, then I'm gonna show you guys at the end of this video. Okay guys, this is what it looks like. You know, honestly speaking, I'm not sure how this whole thing works, so I'm gonna have a hard time reading this manual, trying to figure out how the thing works. But then I also have a second box. I bought some pots that were on sale. I can't really remember the exact price, but I'm just gonna open the box and then show you guys the whole thing. So yeah, let's see what we have on the first box. Gosh. Oh yeah. So now let me see what we have in the first. Oh, honey. Okay, you get is it a small pot? Yeah. And then on the second box, we still have something here. What do we have? Another pot. And then there is the third box, which, let me see what we're gonna get here. That's longer. Okay, this is like the biggest. So pay, dumbbell or jack, all those type of ish, which is amazing because I'm trying to get a husband. And then you get the fourth one as well. Let me see what we have here. Oh, it's so easy. And then I'm trying to bring my. Ooh, and you have a pen. Oh, me, this looks really nice. They're from the Fine Living. I'm gonna, cook something tonight using this pot. Then I'm gonna come back, and do a review with you guys. Because they look really good. But sometimes, looks can be deceiving if you feel what I'm saying. Some things can actually look good. And then when you use them, so it goes to the trash. So I'm gonna cook something using the pot. Then I will come back and then I will tell you guys of my look. Guys, next time you wanna buy something, you should ask me first because it feels like I know all the great things. I'm gonna put together my smoothie with a smoothie maker or blend or whatever you wanna call it. Then I'm gonna end this video because I don't want it to be long. Oh girl, tired just from work, if you know what I'm saying. If you enjoy this type of video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe button so that you don't miss a single video for me. Until next time guys, bye.